guys! Today we're making an insanely juicy burger you don't want to miss. If you're into good food and chill vibes, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get cooking. Guys, grated onion is totally optional, but if you decide to use it, make sure to squeeze out all the juice really well. If you don't, it'll make your mix too watery and mess up the texture, and your burger won't hold together like it should. The spices I use make a super aromatic combo. A little bit of ginger, definitely some fresh garlic, a pinch of Persian gulper for that unique kick, a touch of turmeric for warmth and color, and of course, salt to bring it all together. Shape your burgers with whatever you've got. I just use my hands, keeps it simple and real. Since I'm on a diet, I bake mine in the oven for about 40 minutes. But for my husband, I fry his. He loves that crispy, juicy goodness. Add any veggies you love to the middle. I usually go with green pepper, olives, tomato, pickles, and a bit of parsley. It adds great flavor and a pop of color. You know what's crazy? The burger, yeah, this juicy legend actually started out in Germany, in a city called Hamburg. They had something called Hamburg steak, kind of like minced meat. But when German immigrants brought it to America, things got interesting. In the US, someone had the genius idea to stick that meat between two pieces of bread and boom, the modern burger was born. Fast forward a few decades, and now it's basically the king of fast food around the world. So yeah, it's got German roots, but it became a superstar in America. Add whatever sauce you love. That part's totally up to you. I like to keep it simple with just some ketchup. And that's it, one bite and you'll know it was worth every second. If you enjoyed hanging out and cooking with me, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tasty vibes, and drop a comment. I read every single one. See you in the next delicious adventure. This is Faza, serving flavor one recipe at a time.